So, Will, could you tell me how to use a quick hitch?
That's a good question, and that's actually fully set out on this quick hitch operation guide that you'd normally have fitted inside the cab of the excavator. It goes through a series of steps. Step 1 is to disengage the safety pin and then pick up the attachment by locating the pin in the front hook. And then you lift the arm up clear of the ground. Then you move on to stage 2, which is crowd the attachment in, engage the back bucket pin with the latch, insert the quick hitch lever bar and push down. That moves us on to stage 3. With the lever bar pushed down, the attachment will swing into the rear hook, release pressure on the lever, and the latch will engage on the back pin. That moves us on to stage 4, where you reinsert the safety pin and secure using the linch pin. Crowd the attachment out and ensure that it is securely fixed to the hitch before use, which is stage 5, by pressing the leading edge of the attachment against the floor and apply pressure to ensure the latch is secure before operation. To remove the attachment, you essentially go through this process in reverse.